Hi, I'm Shannon from Home Alchemy Living, and today I'm going to show you how to repurpose your old candle jars in 4 easy steps, removing the candle wax at the bottom just using hot water and a degreasing dish soap. I think that we are in a time where I hope most of us are trying to do our part to reduce global warming. The effects on the environment are very real, and I think we're seeing a lot of that with different environmental disasters, the state of the oceans. It's pretty scary, to be quite honest. There are a lot of things that we can do in our day-to-day lives, and I'm sure you guys have all heard the spiel of reducing, reusing, repurposing, and it's a lot easier than it sounds, or I hope it sounds pretty easy. And candles are a thing that I use all the time. I love them, but however, you get to the bottom and there's that like junky wax, soot around the candle jars, and a lot of times people think that they have to throw them out. However, it's not the case, and I'm going to show you how it's so easy to not only peel off the labels, but to remove the wax with just hot water and dish soap. All right, let's get started.
Okay, for step 1, simply boil water, then pour the hot water into your candle jars. You can place them on your stovetop surface or on a baking sheet while you're waiting for them to cool. For step 2, while your water is cooling, the old wax will start to float to the top, forming a solid seal. While the jars are still warm but not hot, you can start to slowly peel off the labels. They should come off nice and easy. For step 3, after your jars have cooled, simply use a spoon to scoop out the old wax. You'll have some residue on the sides and at the bottom. Again, just simply use your spoon or a butter knife to scrape that old wax off and to get the old little metal piece that holds the wick out. Just take any of that residue and you can go ahead and just, toss it in your garbage or set it off to the side. You're not going to want to save this wax. It's kind of yucky. And last but not least, for step 4, you're going to fill your sink with hot soapy water using any kind of degreasing dish soap. Then use a scrubbing sponge to clean the jars. Rinse them out with warm water, dry, and set off to the side. After this, your jars are ready to be repurposed. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, or comment. Thanks for watching.